Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use promo codes in Polybuzz AI. Start by opening the Polybuzz AI on your phone. Make sure you are already signed in to your account. Once you are on the home screen, look at the bottom right corner. You will see a small profile icon. Tap on this icon to open your account section. This area contains your personal settings and account options. After that, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You will find a settings icon there. Tap on the settings icon to open the settings menu. This is where you can manage different features related to your account. Inside the settings menu, scroll carefully until you find the option labeled promo code. When you see it, tap on it to continue. This will take you to a new screen where you can enter your code. Now you will see a field where you can type in your promo code. Tap inside the field and enter the code exactly as it is given to you. Make sure there are no extra spaces and that all letters are correct. Once you have entered the code, confirm it if there is a button to apply or submit. After that, the app will process your code and apply any available rewards or benefits to your account. Thanks for watching.